We've been getting a few of these Fox bodies in. Here's another one, 1992 Ford Mustang GT, convertible obviously. Of course the GT with the 5-liter in it. So nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, power mirrors, power locks, cruise, power windows. Now, best thing about this car is kind of the story behind it, miles, everything there. This car started its life in Nevada, where it stayed until approximately 36,000 miles. Right now it has 40,000 original miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I have not been able to see any paint work on this car. If you look at the still pictures, I pictured all the little VIN stickers that are on the undersides of the doors, the front fascia, the trunk lid, quarters, hood, and those can all be seen in the still pictures. Now, as far as still pictures go, I'll tell you in a bit where you can check those out at. Take a look at this front fascia, not full of rock chips. Still in very nice shape. Are you going to find a few little tiny ones may have been touched up, or some real small ones? Yes, because like I said, this appears to be original paint. From everything that I can see on it, it is a bright red colored car originally, still is. Like I said, now go to those still pictures and you'll be able to see those VIN tags I'm talking about. So I know it's all original panels on this car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still picture. You'll see the interior, the underside, engine bay. And of course, call us 507-386-1726. These Fox bodies have not been lasting too long when we get them in, especially the low mile, nice solid ones. And again, from Nevada, I'll show you the hood liner on this car. Extremely clean. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in the inclement weather. Of course, we have the pony wheels, also in nice shape. You can see up and down the side of this car, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Top on it is also power. That is white in color. It's vinyl, glass rear window, and also in very nice shape. As far as dash, radio, everything there, all stock. That 5-liter is paired with the automatic transmission, as you can see. The white leather in this is still incredible shape considering the year of this car, and also very supple. It's a great feel to it, nice and soft, just what you expect. And again, white top, vinyl, also in good shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can get this car to where you're located at with transportation. May be eligible for an extended service contract. We can do it all here, folks. One thing I did notice is it was missing the Mustang logo back here, but by no means did that make me believe it had been repainted. By looking at anything, you don't see any overspray, any paint lines. A little luggage rack on the trunk lid. Also has the parade boot on here, convertible top boot. That is like new, fits perfectly. There's a bag for it in the trunk also, as well as a couple extra oil filters for you in the trunk that'll go with the car. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Once again, the phone number, 507-386-1726. If you have any interest in this car, call. Like I said, don't expect this one to last long. Now, couple little spots on the corners. There's one, if you can see it, show up, and there was another one, I want to say just over here. And again, not bad. I'm being fussy. I want to point these things out to you. Very minor. Again, original Fox body, 92 Mustang convertible. Let's look up and down the side of this. But you don't see any bubbling, rust, anything like that starting on this car. Again, spent the majority of its life in Nevada. Look above the wheel wells on it. Nice car. Engine all seems stock, exhaust, everything else. Nothing's been crazy. Cam, loud exhaust, cold air intakes, nothing like that like you see so many times. Take those keys out real quick. Door panels, all original. Carpeting appears all original in it, except the back. Someone's put a little different floor mat in it. Those are nice shape, look good with it. And again, take a look at this seat. Like I mentioned earlier, very supple leather, not cracking, not brittle, very soft. Look at this rear seat, things like new. It's getting harder and harder to find, let alone with the miles and the condition of this one. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We're going to check out that engine bay. AC blows cold. Had that working a little while ago. Compressor turned on and off fine. There's your exact miles, 40,495. Again, power top. Power top works fine. There's no warning indicators on. The one thing I did notice is that airbag flashed at first will go off. So there may be a code to read as far as an airbag light. That was the only thing that I noticed on that. Again, I'm sure that it cannot be anything too major, but I want to make you aware of it. Stock radio, radio works, all 4 speakers, windows, locks, also all work. And again, 40,495 original miles. Warning chime in there works like a champ. All right, come around to the back of this. Just what you'd expect a stock 5-liter sound like. Nice little throaty rumble. Nothing over the top, doesn't smoke. All right, I'm coming around to the front here. I'm going to pause this a second because I want to pop this hood, give you a look at this engine bay, let you check that out, and point out some of those VIN tags that I was talking about. Hang on a second. All right, so I was talking about those VIN tags. Here's one of them for the front fascia. And again, I have pictures of every panel in this car that has it. They all have one understood. There's the hood. If you look across the other side, there's one on that fender. There's the one on this fender. So again, I'm convinced it's all original panels on this, fascias. And listen to that thing run. Nice and smooth. The other thing I mentioned was that hood liner. Look at how clean that is. The hood liner is practically 30 years old. So look at how clean that is. Again, tell it hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Nevada car most of its life. There you go. If you're looking for a nice Fox body convertible, here it is. 1992 Ford Mustang 5-liter GT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, a little over 40,000 original miles. Financing is available. We do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.